All right, so this is the unboxing of our timer, indoor timer that we got for my house to control the light outside. It's programmed up to 7 days, as you can see, automatically adjust for daylight savings time. So this one is a little bit more expensive than the other one because it does the automatic savings time. Manual on and off override, fits existing decorative rocker wall plates. So I'm gonna have a problem with that with my wall plate, but we'll figure that out later. And this is what it looks like. So it's cool, they give you a wall plate with it that I'm not gonna use because it's going in a gang box. And that's what the timer looks like. Has a little door that flips open. Here's your mode, your time, your program, your settings. I don't know how to work everything yet because I didn't read the instructions, but on and off. And like I said, it must have a little battery on the inside because it is, you know, on right now and telling you the time. That doesn't light up, right? No, it doesn't. The screen doesn't light up, which kind of stinks.
Maybe not yet. Maybe it needs to be plugged in. Maybe
it needs to be plugged in. Let's see. Let's see. So that comes with it. Oh, good. They give you a neutral wire. This is exactly what I needed. This is perfect because it does need a neutral in order to work. So you have to plug your neutral in. It says right here, you're hot and you're neutral. Obviously, you're N. So you're going to plug your neutral in, and then you're going to wire that into your wire nut that has your neutrals. And then also you got your ground on there, and then it tells you obviously your load, where to put it, and your hot side, what to put in. All right, so that's a timer. And they give you one wire nut, I guess, for the neutral. They give you the screws, and the screws for the wall plate. And then here's your instruction manual, which I never read, but you should. They always recommend reading this. So we'll open it up a little bit just to see how big it is. But yeah, it's about what it looks like right there. So we will eventually read that at some point after we install it.
If we run into issues.
If we run into problems, yeah, then we'll do that. So let's check out the site where we're gonna install it. No, do the whole video. I usually do it like a couple minutes. And then this is where we're looking at to install it, which I should have flashlight, right? Is yours going flash? Can you put your flash on right now, or I gotta turn on this? Okay, so this is where I'm gonna install it. Here's my neutral that we're gonna wire into, and these are the, this is the one we're gonna replace right here on the left. This one's gonna stay. So this one's gonna be replaced on the left, and it's gonna control this light that's out here on the patio out here, well, whatever you want to call it, on the top of the stairs. So it's going to control that light for the next 7 days. And that's about it. That's all we got. Thank you for watching.